In the heart of Galle, where the sun sets in hues of gold over the Indian Ocean, there's a tale of courage that echoes through the cobbled streets. Meet Officer Rukshan, a devoted Sri Lankan police officer with a heart as resilient as the ancient fortress that surrounds the city. One day, a distressed child approached Officer Rukshan, tearfully explaining that his lost puppy had wandered into the bustling market. Without hesitation, Officer Rukshan sprang into action, mobilizing his team and initiating a citywide search. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows over the labyrinthine alleys, Officer Rukshan's unwavering determination led him to the puppy trapped in a drain. The joyous reunion between the child and his furry friend became a symbol of the compassionate spirit that defines the Sri Lankan police force. This is not just a story of finding a lost pet. It's a snapshot of the everyday heroes who safeguard communities with compassion and commitment. Officer Rukshan, the Guardian of Galle, reminds us that the strength of a city lies not just in its fortifications, but in the hearts of those who protect it.